Hello and welcome to my room tour of room 208 at the Park Hotel Kenmare in County Kerry in one of the most beautiful parts of Ireland. So this is a purpose-built hotel dating from the late 1800s. That is one of the most beautiful hotels in Ireland. It's one of my personal favorites. On the border of some of the most spectacular landscapes in the country, like the Ring of Kerry, the Ring of Beara, Killarney National Park, and the Wild Atlantic Way. So this is a really fantastic base for driving holidays. It's a few minutes walk from the centre of Kenmare town on one side, but then on the other side it is facing an inlet and mountains. I'll show you more of the view later. So it feels incredibly peaceful, even though it's right beside loads of great pubs and restaurants. The pubs especially are very traditional. You can hear a lot of Irish music playing throughout the week. If you're here in season, get good pints of Guinness. So lots going on here to enjoy, despite the fact that it's in the countryside. This is the lounge area within my little suite. It's traditionally styled. The common areas were recently refurbed by a local designer called Brian O'Sullivan, who does a lot of work with Mayborn hotel groups, including Claridge's and the Connaught in London. So here is the bathroom. It's stocked with Bamford properties, Bamford toiletries. Shower in there, toilet in the other one. Lots of fluffy white towels. There I am. So that's all in order. A small little walk-in wardrobe space here. There's my bag and all my stuff. Little ledge there. Here is the bed. It's a traditional four-poster, nice and high off the ground. Feels elevated. Everyone gets these little sheep to take home if they wish, but I'm going to leave mine. It's cute though. It's April at the moment, it's lambing season, so when you drive around you see lots of lambs everywhere, which is really, really nice. More storage there again. Unexpected reading material, Boat International, the Super Yacht magazine. There we go. And then again, looking out to the view, the hotel's grounds leading directly, to the waterfront. Hold on, I'll get that view a bit better for you. And it's really, really spectacular. So this, as I said, is one of the most beautiful parts of Ireland. The drives we've been doing around here are unbelievable. Service is fantastic. They've got what I think is the best hotel restaurant in the country downstairs. A really great bar, one of Ireland's best whiskey collections. Fantastic service. The doorman we dealt with yesterday has been here for over 40 years. So it's really a hub of the community. I'm a huge fan of the hotel. And this is room 208.